Good morning, student. Today we will study chapter 6. Today's topic is changes around us. In our day-to-day life, we observe many changes around us. Everything in this universe undergoes a change. These changes may be observed by us at school, at home, in the playground, in the garden, or any other place. For example, sudden change in weather, flowering of plants, melting of ice, ripening of fruits, drying of clothes, milk changing into curd, germinations of seeds, cooking food, rusting of iron, bursting of firecracker, etc. are the common changes that occur in day-to-day life. A change can bring about different kinds of effects in the things around us. Some of the effects brought about are permanent in nature and hence cannot be reversed. However, some effects are brought about in positions, shape, size, or state of things. These effects are temporary in nature and hence can be reversed. So some changes can be permanent or some changes can be temporary in nature. Okay. Now let's see changes caused by heating. First point, some objects simply get hot but no other change takes place. For example, when you drink hot milk or coffee from a cup, you may feel that the cup is hot. However, there is no any physical change take place in the cup. Second point, some objects get hot and expand. For example, a metal on heating got heat as well as increase in size. Conversely, on cooling, the metal key contracted and regained its original size. Third point, some objects get hot and burn. For example, when firewood and paper burns, its shape and size also change. The change is irreversible in nature as we cannot get back the original shape of wood and paper. Fourth point, some objects change their state. Let's see what does it mean. For example, when ice is heated, it changes into water. Similarly, when water is heated, it changes into steam. When steam is allowed to cool, it turns back again into water. All such changes are reversibles. We can make it happen again and again. Now let's discuss changes caused by pressure or force. For example, when you force air into a balloon by applying pressure of your lungs, the shape and size of the balloon changes. If you continue inflating the balloon with more air, a stage comes when the balloon bursts and its shape changes again. The tube within a tire changes its shape and fits completely in it when inflated with compressed air. Gold and silver can be hammered into a tin sheet. The rubber bands change their shape when stretched. So these are some of the example change caused by the pressure or force. Next point, changes caused by dissolving. For example, substances such as common salt, sugar are soluble in water. During the process dissolving, a change is brought in a soluble substance. Next point, reversible and irreversible changes. Let's see what is reversible and irreversible changes. A change which can be reversed on removing the cause is called a reversible change. For example, water can be changed into ice by placing it in the fridge. The ice so formed can be converted back into water by placing the ice outside the fridge. So this process can be repeated again and again. Okay. Similarly, another good example is light bulb, which can be switched off and on, so which is a reversible change. A change which cannot be reversed even on removing the cause is called an irreversible change. When paper and wood burn, it changes into ash and charcoal, which cannot be converted back into paper and wood. Thus, the change is irreversible. Similarly, aging of human beings, animals, and plants are irreversible changes. So once you reach at this stage, you cannot turn back into a small baby. So it is a permanent change. Student, we have discussed all the important points of this chapter and I hope you understood very well. Thank you.